we're focusing on containers on AWS, a key topic for your AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. First, let's clarify what a Docker container is. Think of it as a standardized, self-contained package that bundles your application's code along with all its dependencies, like libraries and settings. This ensures your application runs quickly and reliably, no matter where it's deployed. The exam will test your knowledge of three core AWS container services: Amazon ECS, Amazon EKS, and AWS Fargate. Amazon Elastic Container Service, or ECS, is AWS's own fully managed container orchestration service. If a question describes a team that is deeply integrated with the AWS ecosystem and wants a simpler AWS native way to run Docker containers, ECS is the answer. Next is Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, or EKS. The key word here is Kubernetes. EKS is the service to choose when a company wants to run Kubernetes on AWS without managing the complex control plane themselves. An exam question might mention migrating an existing Kubernetes workload or wanting multi-cloud portability. These are strong indicators for EKS. Then there's AWS Fargate, which is a serverless compute engine that works with both ECS and EKS. The most critical exam trap to avoid is confusing the services. The exam will give you scenarios where you have to choose. If a question states you must run containers but do not want to provision or manage any underlying servers or EC2 instances, Fargate is the correct choice. Fargate abstracts away the infrastructure, letting you focus only on the application. So how do you decide between containers, serverless like AWS Lambda, or traditional EC2 instances? An exam question might ask you to select the best compute option for a given workload. Use EC2 when you need full control over the operating system and the application has a consistent, long-running workload. Choose AWS Lambda for short-running, event-driven tasks where you only want to pay for the compute time you consume. And select containers when you need portability, consistent environments, and are building applications with a microservices architecture. Here's a phrase to help you remember the difference between the two orchestrators. ECS is Amazon's easy choice, while EKS is for Kubernetes expertise. This helps distinguish the AWS native solution from the managed open source one. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.